Traditional mead is crafted with just honey, water, and yeast. But the results are anything but simple. Discover what makes dry, semi-sweet, and sweet meads truly unique. With roots that stretch back thousands of years, mead is cherished for its ability to highlight the unique flavors of honey and its incredible versatility. In this video, I'll dive into the rich history and the art of mead making, exploring the three simple primary styles of traditional mead: dry, semi-sweet, and sweet mead. Each style captures a distinct aspect of honey's charm, from crisp and dry to the rich and floral. So whether you're a seasoned mead enthusiast or just beginning your journey, this video will be your guide to deepening your appreciation for this timeless fermented beverage. So sit back, relax, and let's uncork the secrets of traditional mead. Before we dive in, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss out on the best tips and tricks for making amazing meads. And as a special thank you for watching, I'm giving away my free ebook, Mead-Making at Home Easily. It's loaded with my step-by-step process and advanced techniques to help you craft exceptional mead. Stay tuned until the very end of the video to find out how to grab your free copy. Now let's jump in. Dry mead, which is BJCP category M1A. A dry traditional mead is the purest expression of honey, showcasing its subtle characteristics without added sweetness. Let's break down what makes a dry mead stand out. First, overall impression. Dry mead is comparable to a dry white wine in terms of its balance and flavor intensity. While it lacks sweetness, it offers complexity in the form of soft, fruity esters and clean alcohol. The hallmark of a great dry mead is balance. This means the honey's natural flavors, the acidity, and the alcohol content must work in harmony, creating a drink that's refreshing and not overpowering. Any inconsistencies like an overly harsh finish or mismatched flavors detract from the experience. Second, appearance. Traditional meads often have a clean golden hue, though the exact shade depends on the honey used. A high-quality dry mead will be clear, free of haze or sediment. This clarity represents not just aesthetic appeal, but also careful fermentation and bottling practices. 3. Aroma. In dry meads, the honey aroma is often subtle, making it a drink that reveals its depth slowly. You might catch faint floral or herbal notes depending on the honey variety. For example, clover honey can lend delicate floral aromas, while buckwheat honey might introduce earthier tones. However, these aromas never dominate the experience. They're more like whispers of honey's origin. 4. Flavor. The flavor profile is where dry meads shine. Without the sweetness, the nuances of the honey come forward. If a single variety of honey is used, such as orange blossom or acacia, its unique characteristics become more noticeable. Acidity plays a bigger role in dry meads, providing brightness and a crisp finish. Tannins naturally present in some honey can also add structure, giving the mead a more floral wine-like quality. 5. Mouthfeel. Dry meads are typically light to medium-bodied. They're refreshing without feeling thin or watery. The lack of sweetness enhances the lightness, making dry meads an excellent choice for pairing with foods like grilled fish, roasted vegetables, or cheese. 6. Ingredients. Traditional dry meads focus entirely on honey, water, and yeast. Without any additives, the quality of the honey becomes critical. Beekeepers often recommend using high-quality raw honey to ensure the best flavor. Next, we have semi-sweet mead, BJCP category M1B. Semi-sweet traditional mead bridges the gap between dry and sweet styles, offering a touch of sweetness while maintaining balance. This style is particularly appealing to those new to mead as it combines approachability with complexity. 1. The overall impression. Semi-sweet mead has a medium dry profile, much like a slightly sweet white wine. It balances the natural honey flavor with just enough sweetness to enhance the drink without making it cloying. A well-balanced semi-sweet mead is versatile, providing a delightful standalone experience or pairing it beautifully with meals. Second, appearance. As with other traditional meads, clarity and color are key. A semi-sweet mead will often have a richer, more golden tone compared to a dry mead, especially if darker honey varieties like wildflower or buckwheat are used. 3. Aroma. The honey aroma in semi-sweet mead is more pronounced than in dry meads. You may detect hints of sweetness and floral or fruity notes reminiscent of flower nectar. For example, wildflower might offer complex herbal undertones, while orange blossom honey can contribute to a citrusy aroma. The sweetness in semi-sweet meads is more subtle to moderate, striking a balance that keeps it from being overly sugary. If a varietal honey is used, its unique flavor shines through. For instance, a semi-sweet mead made with Tupelo honey might have a buttery or slightly fruity, appley kind note. Acidity remains essential, ensuring the sweetness doesn't overwhelm the palate. And 5, mouthfeel. Semi-sweet meads are medium light to medium full in body. The touch of sweetness enhances the texture, giving it a smooth and satisfying mouthfeel. This style is excellent for those who enjoy a slightly richer drinking experience without the intensity of a dessert wine. And 6, ingredients. The simplicity of a traditional mead shines in this style. A semi-sweet mead uses pure honey, often blended or varietal, with careful attention to balance. Yeast selection is crucial. It must enhance the honey's natural sweetness without producing harsh alcohol flavors. Next up is sweet mead, BJCP category M1C. Sweet traditional mead is the pinnacle of indulgence, comparable to fine dessert wines. It's a style that celebrates the richness and depth of honey, making it perfect for special occasions or as a luxurious treat. 1. Overall impression. A sweet mead is a rich, full-bodied beverage with noticeable residual sweetness. It's balanced with acidity and sometimes tannins to ensure it doesn't become cloying. The best sweet meads deliver layers of complexity, offering new flavors with every sip. 2. Appearance. Sweet meads often have a deeper golden or amber hue, reflecting the honey's concentration. They're clear and bright, showcasing the care taken during fermentation. 3. Aroma. Honey dominates the aroma, often accompanied by floral, fruity, or even spicy notes, depending on the honey used. Sweet meads made with lavender honey might have an aromatic herbal quality, while meads with raspberry blossom honey could carry fruity and tart undertones. Next up, 4, flavor. The honey flavor in sweet meads is front and center, with residual sweetness ranging from moderate to high. The sweetness is never raw or unfermented. Instead, it's smooth and harmonized with acidity. This style often resembles dessert wines like Sauternes or Moscato, but with honey as the star. Next up, 5, mouthfeel. Sweet meads are medium to full-bodied, delivering a luxurious texture that coats the palate. Despite their richness, they should never feel overly heavy or syrupy. Balance is the key, ensuring the sweetness is enjoyable without being overwhelming. 6, ingredients. High-quality honey is paramount in sweet meads as it provides both flavor and sweetness. Varietal honeys are particularly popular in this style, allowing the mead maker to showcase the unique qualities of specific types like orange blossom or heather. Some final thoughts. Appreciating traditional mead, whether you prefer crisp dryness of a dry mead, the balanced sweetness of a semi-sweet mead, or the luxurious richness of a sweet mead. Traditional mead has something for everyone. Each style highlights the incredible versatility of honey, transforming it into a beverage that's as complex as it is enjoyable. By understanding these styles, you can better appreciate the craftsmanship and tradition behind every bottle of mead. So, why not explore all 3 styles and find your favorite? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And now, as promised, grab my free ebook, Mead-Making at Home Easily, using the link in the description or the pinned comment below. It's packed with my mead-making process and advanced mead-making techniques. Cheers to your mead-making success, and if you're interested in more mead-making tips, check out my other mead-making videos over here.